Hey, good morning. So let's see what damage we can cause in the market today. Let me share my screen. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to secure some profits. I made a trade last night during London session for over $300 and I want to secure that. So what I'm about to do is go into the settings and lower my daily loss limit, just to make sure we don't lose all the profit that we made during London session. Just give me 1 second. 1 second. So this account is at $80. That's the closer and closer to for a payout. And we want to lower this to 80 since we already had a winning trade, just to protect some profits for today. Alrighty, now let's go back into trading view and see what type of damage we could do, y'all. Let's see. I took a sale last night before bed, made over $300. Easy sale, ran right into profit, hit TP. Made me some fire juice. I don't know if y'all be squeezing juice, man. I squeezed me some watermelon juice and some apple juice and some apples. Seeded watermelon at that. We don't do the seedless over here. Seeded watermelon, and apples together, freshly squeezed. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. To your health and your profits. Mm. Fire. Click on full chart. It's like sales are still in order. We caught a nice sale last night. So it look like we missed the pullback. This is a pullback right here. I think I caught this move last night, somewhere over here. Looks like they might be positioning themselves right now. So I'm going and do a so let's log in. Let's get ready to put some money at risk. I count them on. I don't think it matters. I don't think it matters. Stop loss up here. Or maybe I should wait. Might be trying to grab some liquidity first. Yeah, we might be trying to grab some liquidity first. So I'm gonna do one at this high. Yeah, this thing probably about to run already. So that low has almost been swept already. So that low, almost. I may have missed an entry. Let me see if I could do another limit order. We might get tagged in for that one. Looks like that one got tagged in. Yeah, I might have to put another one up here. Looks like price about to take out these highs probably. Wait, that was a sell order, right? Okay. Just give me 1 second. Just trying to see if we're going to become the liquidity or not. We don't know. Yeah, thinking price want to push up here. So I'm going to set another right here. And I'm going to push stop loss just beyond this range right here. Uh, we're going short. Let me see what that look like on the 15-minute structure. Okay, so that's not too bad actually. It's not too bad on a 15-minute structure. Even though price could go up to the EMA. Targeting this low. Okay, that don't look too bad. Let me zoom in a little bit, give y'all a little bit more data. Let me check comments if we got anybody watching. Looks like we got one viewer watching. All right, so let me zoom in a little bit, give y'all a little bit more context. So this is the 15-minute right here. We put in one limit order that got tagged in. We got another limit order that look like it's, and this is what we're going for. Yeah, it's taking out some liquidity. Taking out some liquidity. There's some highs right here. Maybe that need to be swept. I don't know if we're gonna sweep all these, but we got a little bit of error room. We got a little bit of wiggle room. Just 10.5. That's a good thing we put in that the $80 cutoff limit because we don't want to screw up the profits that we made during London session. We're already up for the day. Today is just extra icing on the cake. We're already up for the day. Today is just extra icing on the cake. So we're gonna see how far this manipulation goes. If we're gonna clear this high, if we clear this high, we want to get tagged in again. If we clear this one, well, let's hope we can survive on this account. And if we get swept and get out, maybe we'll jump back in on the other account. Move this other way a little bit. And this is a trade, man. We're just waiting. Very simple sell setup. I really like watching the 3-minute for some reason. I recently switched my indicators to the 5-minute, so I won't be as anxious. But that 3-minute, man, I really like that 3-minute. All right, let's see what it's gonna do. Let's see how far we're gonna be manipulated up. We got one order in. Looks like it's rejecting. Oh, let me see. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Rolling like a big shot. Chevy toned up like a NASCAR pit stop. I'm glad we got some rejection right here. Oh, might be time to add. Oh, I got like what? It might be time to add. Let me go and add some size. Oh shit, I'm touching the wrong thing. All right, so I'm gonna turn this limit order right here into some real money. Let's add what's that, 4 of them things? Oh shit, I tried to move it up a little bit. That's cool. Actually, that's not too bad. That's not too bad at all. If this actually closes red, that's if it actually closes red, then it won't come back and bite us. It won't come back and bite us in the. But that's why I like going down to the red, to the 3-minute. You get some really good. You know what you're doing. I actually wanted it a tick higher, but it probably wouldn't have filled us in if it did. So we're only looking to get 20. Let's go back to the 5 minute. We're under the EMA. We got a little bit of resistance right there. I had the limit order up here. It didn't quite tag us in. Didn't look like it want to. 5 and push past it. Oh, this sale we got last night right here. Man, this a beautiful sale during London right here. Over $300. Took some profits right here. Took the rest of the candle. I think down here somewhere. Easy $300 trade, 300 plus. And we can see if we could do the same thing right now. In the day with like a $600, $700 day. And we're getting better at just seeing bigger red days, man. I mean, bigger green days, my bad. Bigger green days, less chaotic red days. We're not blowing up accounts like we used to. So this thing hovering in profit. Looks like we didn't get tagged in up there, so this needs to be moved a little bit. This needs to be moved just a larger stop loss, but that's all right. That's okay. Oh, so now we might be actually reversing here. Look like it's a doji. We'll see. That's why it's good to place those trades, man. Like closing candles. Closing price is the only thing that matters. Closing price is the only price that matters. I still do want to go for a one or two. A 1 or 2 would actually be down here. I always go for a 1 or 2. It's 30 pips. Let's see if we can get what 32.5. Let's see if New York session will provide that for us. All right. So we're going TP1 and TP2. I think I can compromise with that. Yeah, this is our account summary right here. We're already up $140. So we hover on about 500 for the day. We caught a sale for like 3 something during London last night. So let's see if we close out today like a $600, $700 day or something, maybe 800. I don't know. We'll see what we can get. And we're gonna keep trading confidently the way that we know how. Easy money. Giving us some doji action. I know sellers want to step in. Looks like they're already starting to. I think some people position themselves right here. That's why you got that big doji candle right there. Orders for being placed right there. We got some resistance right here. And this is a red flat. That's what we want to see. We want to see this red flat close. We want to see this red flat close and push to the downside. Hopefully it don't create a let's see if this could hold. We'll see if this could hold right here. There we go. Trying to catch the end of it. All right, let's see if this resistance can actually hold, you guys. Yeah, I think I would want to take a little bit of that. I would want to take a little bit of that. We got a minute and yeah, part of me want to secure some of this just in case it reverse. Now that could be either a good thing or a bad thing. It's pushing nicely though. It is pushing nicely. Yeah, I'm gonna secure. I'm gonna go on to secure. I gotta see what they look like on the 15 minute though. This is a 3 right here. This is a 3 minute. Cause sometimes I noticed I've been micromanaging my trades, bro. And you don't want to micromanage your trades, but yeah. See, that's what I'm talking about. It's coming back to bite me already, bro. 20 seconds left in closing. That's that nonsense I'm talking about right there. Yeah. Yeah, that thing want to come get me. Let me see what that looks like on the 15 minute because are we above a 15 flat? No, it's a 15 minute doji. So look like this candle closes in 5 minutes. If this, yeah, I don't know. Let me see if it can survive. Let me see what this look like. Yeah, like it want to come back and kick us out, bro. It want to come back and kick us out. That's what I want to do. I think that's exactly what it will make me want to push it even further. But I be trying not to micromanage my trades too much, man. Um, okay, that's good. I'll take that. I will take that. I want to continue seeing this thing push to the downside. We're floating 180, floating almost $200. I want to see this low sweat. I want to see this low sweat. This is the bad part about trailing. This is what I don't like about trailing tight, but a brother still got to do it, man. That's exactly what I mean. About to get kicked out right here. Yeah, I'm right here, actually. So we still got one in. Or let me see. That's what I'll be talking about. Trailing tight, man. It's gonna come back in. Reverse right there. We'll see if we can get tagged back in. Trailing tight, boy. Pros and cons of trailing. Right back in like we never left. Hopefully it don't keep running though. So we'll see. That could come back and bite us in the butt. If we break above these highs though, I don't want to be in it no more. Contracts. I can't remember. Were we in 4 contracts before? I got short term amnesia, bro. Not a bad thing to have in the market though. Forget your losses. Forget them. They're not going to help you. So I don't think we secured much from that. Maybe a little bit. We have 405 now. 4 floating around 400. We secured like down to the downside. So I want to see some more flats. I want to see pushing to the downside. Let's push to the downside, boys. Don't play no games. Don't play no games. Okay. I like that. I like it a lot. So it might be okay to push this one down. Uh, this might be our ceiling. Well, if we can actually close, if we could break this low, I want to see this low being broken right here. That's what I want to see. And then I want to see this low taken out over here from the win that we had during London session. So we closed out before this candle pushed down. We could have got a little bit more out of that. But yeah, I should probably put it. We're going to set an alert right there. Yeah, TP1 should be right here. TP1. Okay. I could deal with that. That's cool with me. Yeah. more manipulation left. Hopefully, we're gonna come back up to that high where the resistance is and fill in some more orders. Looks like that's what we might be trying to do. Yeah, see if we could survive this. We have 50 in drawdown, but there is some resistance right here. Let's see if the price comes back up. And yeah, I'm gonna put that right there. Oh, we're already out the trade. Are we? No. So we moved our. Oh, we up 350. We eating into some profit. We are eating into some of our London's profit. Yeah, I set the thing at $80 to kick us out the trade. I probably need a little bit of wiggle room. Should I go back and change it real fast before we get kicked out the trade? That's what I'm thinking. Cause we already up for the day, and the day just started. Took a nice trade during London. This was an easy sell right here during London. Easy money right here. Price just dropping in our favor. And we want to see if we can see the same thing, but I don't know. Let me see. Okay, so we came down, saw resistance, spiked up, cleared that high. I want to see a reversal from here in these low swept. That's what I would like to see. We got 45 seconds, 40 seconds until this candle closes. And it is a waiting game, my friend, of cat and mouse. I'm okay with a reversal right here. I'm okay with a reversal right here. I probably should have added, but orders right there. I don't know. So I like to see these lows. I want to see a flat. I want to see multiple flats in a row. If I can see two flats, since price keep come back up here. We're in a range right now. A micro range. Until we break out. Until we break out. Yeah, we definitely in a range right now. Yeah, I think I should switch my thing to 100. I don't mind eating into a little bit of my profit from this morning, but I don't want to get kicked out of this trade. So I'm gonna switch it to 100. go to my settings real fast. Yeah, I'm gonna switch it to 100 and then push that other one up above the high. Let's see if we can do that before we get kicked out the trade. Let's see if we could do that before we get kicked out the trade. Let's see if we could do that real fast before this thing slap us out the trade. Because we don't want to get slapped out the trade, my boy. I don't want to get slapped out the trade. Let me see where we at. Yeah, we're still floating in that range area. I think I want to push it up $10. Now I'm gonna do $100 to make sure we don't lose too much of our profit to get the hell out of here. All right, let me lock that in. Back to the money. Yeah, it's looking like it want to sweep these highs. That's what it's looking like it want to do. So we'll see if this can hold. Ranging like crazy right now. We are in right now. And the part of me want to add, yeah, I'm going to add one up here. So we're in four contracts right now. Because I missed. I'm glad we about to hit TP1 potentially. Wait, that's a sell for 3? Nah, P. What we doing? That's all I want is 1. Yeah, we may have missed that already. That opportunity probably gone. Am I sharing the right screen? I don't think I am. Share this tab. Negro new to this, not true to this. Yes, look like we missed the opportunity to add more. Like TP1 about to get hit right now. Yeah, I should have added up top. I'm gonna cancel that order. It's probably gone. I think it's gone, y'all. We about to hit this TP. I probably should lower this shit a little bit. Nah, that's okay. All right. Floating 213. Yeah, I'm gonna push everything down. The river, not to see that. So this thing is testing our patience, guys. We haven't swept that low yet. We swept this one, but we have not swept this one. Not quite. Not quite. We got like within a tick or two. Candle though, so I think the next candle will sweep it. Or not, like it's retracing already. Let me check out the shit. Cause like it's trying to reverse. This is what I don't like. This the part I don't like. Sneaky little reversals. Sneaky little rascals. That just wanna, yeah. I don't like the reversals, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. I will play it scared, man, and be in and out the market. So we're gonna put in a small order right here. Look like it want to keep coming back up to this area. Not sure how many more orders are up here, but oh, I got kicked out of that one. Okay. So it's ranging. I see it's starting to drop an octave, but sellers ain't really stepped in. Not really. Not really. So I want to see if we can get tagged back in at a better price right here. I probably should even move it up one. I'm gonna put it right at that doji. It's looking like it's going to jump anyway. Bunch of damn chop, and I'm looking for the drop. Just giving us a bunch of chop right now. Look like we in two. We in two contracts. We in small right now. We in small. Did we secure any? So what are we? $43 in profit right now. This thing playing with us. It look like we up around 4, even if this thing come back and bite us. Oh no, because we was still, yeah, yeah. I'm trying to do the calculations in my head. um, yeah, we chopping to the downside. It's a patience game, man. A game of waiting. Let me check out the 15-minute. Yeah, we just consolidating to the downside. Consolidation to the downside, y'all. Yeah, I don't think price coming back up to those highs. I don't think price coming back up to those 15-minute highs. Yeah, I should have been more patient. In fact, I should probably add an order now. I'm gonna add one more right now. I hope we didn't get kicked out of the trade that quick. All right, we good. I'm changing it to 115 just to give me some extra breathing room. I shouldn't add anymore. But we kind of heavy. We ain't heavy. All right, $115. That's locked in. See if we can survive the small pullback. If there's, yeah, we over the EMA. It's playing right now. It's absolutely playing. So we're in 6 contracts right now. Yeah, I should have left it up there. It came right up there. Yeah, we might get kicked out, y'all. We in a little bit too heavy. All right, so I'm attempting to push it to 130. I'm off push it. We keep hovering and playing, bro. I don't know why that thing just don't want to drop. It does not want to drop. because everybody sees sales is in order. Let me see the 15-minute one more time. All right, so we're giving us a big doji. We're seeing a lot of indecision right here. Okay, that's a good sign. That's a pretty good sign. I guess we're still holding this resistance right here. I don't know why we keep coming back up to test it. I don't know how many orders are up here. Or if big money just placing orders so that they could push that there into the downside. Look like there's two areas of resistance now. There was one right here at the top. And I think there's another one right here. All right, I'm gonna chill. I can't be adding more because I'd be scaring myself when price get back up here. I can feel my anxiety getting to me. I don't want to get kicked out the chair, even though I'm okay if I do. I'm already up for the day. Oh wow, huge that we've been waiting for. So we broke through that. Are we using that? We use that EMA as support. This damn amount. I'm at 135 now. I'm trying not to eat it into too much of the 300 and some change that we made earlier. I'm not just put it at 140, bro. Yeah. All right, 150 is our max. Let me do 150. Because even if it do hit the 150, it's gonna close out at probably around 170, and that will protect some of London session. Shit, we already at 150. Oh my god. No, I gotta push it up. Shit, bro. No, that's for the day. Oh, that's for the day. So we're already up 150. So it would have to be down 300. No, we're already up 300 for the day. Oh, okay. So we already up 300 for the day. I think that's why it hasn't triggered, because I just seen it hit 150 right here. But we're already up 3 something for the day. London trade, which is right here. These arrows that we caught this sale right here during London. So I think we would have to lose that 300 and then and me out already. But we're already up 300 something. That's why. So I think we got a little breather room. If we close on those highs up there, this trade is invalid. This thing just don't want to drop. Since we already up 300 account and try to get that other account back in profit. My bad, y'all. I'm not even sharing the this shit, bro. All right, so we was just down 150 on this candle right here, and we are above the EMA, which is not good. I want to see us push back down below the EMA. So we're consolidating heavy right here. We consolidating heavy into this range. Actually, push this down here. This is the range right here. It's hard to break this range. Until we close under here, I don't think this range is broken. So we're just in Chop City right now. Chop City. And we just chopping. I don't know if they're safe. They not looking safe by this 15 minute. By this 15 minute, they're not looking safe. So what I'm gonna do is since we're getting a flat 15-minute bullish candle, I am going to take some of these and lower my risk. I'm gonna lower my risk. I'm gonna take some of these. Or should I? Yeah, I want to close out some profits right there. Maybe another one right there. Nah, bro. Or maybe just a 3. Yeah, maybe just a 3. And then leave 2 up here. Okay, that's a little bit better. That is a tag 3 because there is some resistance right here. And we haven't broke above that. So if we break above that, close out 3 contracts. And then we got 3 more contracts left in. That's reasonable. That's reasonable. That's reasonable. And we got one down here. This trade is starting to become stressful. We just not doing much. And look like the 15-minute want to sweep that high. Looks like the 15 want to sweep that high. I'm not sure if I should give myself one more pip just for safety margin. All right, y'all. We just waiting, man. It's one of those chop days, bro. Straight chop. It was amazing. You know what I'm gonna do? We're gonna do a little stoic reading right now. That's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna let this trade play out. How it's gonna play out. We got our parameters set, and I'm good. Mm. Looks like we back in profit. Mercy. Um. So it look like today's message is only fools rush in. Only fools aren't the strongest. If you want their property, take it. Take also their staff, profession, and body. But you will never compel what they set out for, nor trap them in what they. For the only contest the good person enters is that of their own reasoned choice. How can such a person not to be invincible? Hmm. That was from Epictetus. And then the actual breakdown, it says, One of the most fundamental principles of martial arts is that strength should not go against strength. Hmm. That is, don't try to beat your opponent where they do when we try to undertake some impossible task we haven't bothered to think through. Or we let someone put us on the spot, or we say yes to everything that comes our way. Can't be a yes person. No has become one of my favorite words and look like prices finally started to push in our direction. We'll see if it stays that way. Some people think that choosing your battles is weak or calculated or calculating. How could reducing the amount of times we fail or minimizing the number of needless injuries inflicted upon us by weak? Let me read that one more time. How could reducing the amount of times we fail or minimizing the number of needless injuries inflicted upon us be weak? How is that a bad thing? As the saying goes, discretion is the better part of valor. The Stoics call it reasoned choice. They've mentioned this a bunch of times in this book too. Reasoned choice. Because we do have reasonable choices that we should think through before we do them. That means be reasonable. Mm. Think hard before choosing and make yourself unbeatable. Think hard before choosing and then make yourself unbeatable. Oh, we're finally starting to break out of this chop. That is the question. To be or not to be? To chop or not to chop? All right. So it look like this zone is holding for now. Are we gonna bounce back up from here and go to the top? Should I add more when we do get there? I don't know. I probably shouldn't. Yeah, I probably shouldn't. In fact, I should probably drop these three. I should probably drop these three right at the EMA, so I can secure some profit again in case they come back up. That's what I'm thinking about doing, my boy. No, I'm gonna do one. I'm gonna do one of these. I'm gonna do one of these boys down here. Now I should do the heavy. I shouldn't be touching this at all, to be honest. I shouldn't be doing this. I should let the thing run to my TP. Too late. A little bit of profit. It probably wasn't much, but a couple dollars. Couple of dollars. That wasn't much, I promise you that. But we did lower our risk. I think I want to push this down to that flat at some point. Well, if we can get two flats in a row, bro, that let me know we're ready to go. Two flats in a row, we ready to go. I probably should have did that. I probably should have just let it run. I know price want to drop, bro. I just don't know when. I know price want to drop. It want to. We caught a sale in London, and we should be catching a sale in New York session. They're just dicking around. Giving us chop. Don't give me no chop. Just drop. Don't give me no chop. Good morning. Morning. So we want to We're stuck in chop for the remainder, y'all. Let's see what the stocks are doing. Stock market doing the same thing. Most likely. Chop City. Chop City. Actually, let me check a chart real fast. Hmm. Lord have mercy. And back to another doji. Bro. A part of me want to keep adding at the top of this range, but I don't know if we're gonna break out. I'm hoping that we break out to the downside, but hmm. Looks like we're breaking out of the range a little bit, y'all. Looks like we're breaking out of that range just a little bit. A little bit. I like this. We're starting to see a little bit of breakout below that range. Let's see if we can hold it. Oh my God, I shouldn't have sold that one contract. I was being, I don't know, I was trying to be risky. Now it's finally starting to push in our direction. We don't want to. We're technically already up for the day. Now things want to push in our favor, y'all. That's crazy. All right, man. I guess they just wanted to chop around a bit. I don't know what was going on. I guess they didn't want to give us an easy trade. They wanted to make us wait for it. I'm okay with waiting for it, I guess. Yeah, I should have left that contract in. That thing would have been printing nicely for us. So if we could hit this TP1, that'd be nice. That'll close us out over 500. Oh, look like over 600, maybe even 700 for the day. We're floating 6 something. I want to hit though. Like for sure, for sure. In fact, I think I'm gonna peel off one right here. Nah, I'm gonna peel it off right here. Cause the way it's been chopping, bro. I really want to see this low, bro. We have not swept this low yet. This is London's low. London's low. This might be London's high. Or this London's high. This might be London's high. I don't know. Shit. Don't matter. Don't matter, man. Don't matter. Getting some good riffs. Yeah, we want to see this low, bro. We want to see this low, bro. This might be like $700 a day if we could hit our TP. We might have to close manually. I hope. I don't. Uh, um, Forgive me, y'all. It's early morning, man. You got to get up early to get this dollar bill. Got to get early to get that dollar bill. So we're getting 5-minute flats. I like it. So I guess this is a little bit less anxiety than the 3 minutes, because on the 3 minutes I probably would have got stopped out already. I probably would have got stopped. So it's just as choppy on this range, and now we finally broke out of it, pushing to the downside. Cure some of this and push this in the green. I'm gonna wait for a little bit. Let me see the 3-minute candle. Three-minute candles look good. We finally broke out of the chop, y'all. I might actually be greedy by waiting. I'm gonna push it up just a little bit because I don't want it to come so damn close and then not give it to us, bro. That would piss me off. I ain't gonna lie to you. That would kind of piss me off. So I'm gonna move it up just a tad. Let me go back to the 5-minute, 2 seconds, check and see if that's valid. Yeah, so we're not too far under this low. We close to it though. You don't want to tap it. To these, I think it's only maybe 1 or 2 left. I think maybe one left now. How many up here? One? No, it's two left. And push these last two. Probably like right here. But I want to see this tap first because this thing could reverse right here. In fact, what I'm going, we not gonna be no fool and let this thing come back and just, hell no. Nah, you're not gonna come back and just take my profit, my boy. We got to be smart and secure some profit out of this. Everything got to come down, my boy. Everything got to come down. We got to secure the bag. They say secure the bag because one in the hand is better than two in the bush. Yeah, man. One in the hand is better than two in the bush. There we go. All right, so everything is everything. We up 300. Looks like TP could be hit pretty soon. Secure some of that money. Leave the rest to run and profit if we hit TP2. Looks like you got within a tick too. Got within a tick. Yeah, buddy. I think I'm a move one of them down just a little bit. Come on, stop playing with me, bro. Get your ass down here and get me out this trade, bro. Give me my money so I can run. And don't try to reverse on me either. It's trying to reverse on me, y'all. It's back up to that bullshit. It's back up to that bullshit. All right, if it is gonna kick me. I guess I don't want to give it to us, y'all. This might be the last. Okay, I might be done after this, bro. I'm getting mentally tired. I'm getting mentally tired. I'm damn near ready to go to sleep again, bro. Yeah, I'm damn near ready to go back to sleep, bro. I let people didn't take profit. People took profit right here. That's why it's reversing. Trade live during London session, but you did see me pull out over 200 in this session. So $500 a day, I will take it. I will take it, no complaints. Yeah, about to kick us out. In fact, let me go and lock it just a little bit more profit in. Yeah, it could come back and sweep this. I'm okay with being kicked out the trade though. Let me refresh real fast. Hold on. Let me refresh. So I'm probably gonna do a workout. I gotta do some other shit today too. My brain. Yeah, we ain't gonna force it. Okay, kicked us out the trade already. We done for? Yeah, we done for. All right, that's it. And that's all, folks. Let's look at the other trade. So we closed out a something dollar trade during London, which was this right here. That was smooth. That was much more smoother than this morning. And we pulled out some profits in this consolidation, ending the day in the ending of $561 day. $561 day. I take it. It's been chopped. We pulled out a little bit, but we got what we could. Come back tomorrow. We'll see what the price action tomorrow going to be. But I'm getting a little mentally tired. We've been on live for over an hour. You watched me pull out probably like over 250 in this chop. So, all right, that's all I got for you. Like, subscribe, leave your questions and thoughts down below. And I'll see you on tomorrow's live video. No questions? Let's close it down and